The glasswort spreads around the lake. On the periphery of the plants is the wetland with much lower salinity. Food is abundant around this place. Several flamingos arrived in 2014 to make a luxuriant patch, where water birds flock, bustling with joy and excitement. The word flamingo means flame-colored, derived from the bird's flamboyant plumage. These precious large-wading birds inhabit mainly along the Mediterranean coasts and around East Africa. Their standing height is between 80 and 150 centimeters. As a gregarious species, they prefer low salinity waterside in the temperate and tropical zones. Various water birds live here side by side. The low salinity wetland offers nutrient-rich food, increasing their population. The flamingo family settled in the Yancheng Salt Lake. It has grown from a pair to a small flock of 6 wild flamingos. They enjoy the superb habitat as new immigrants. The temperature drops in early winter, although the salt in the water prevents the wetland from freezing. The wide mud flats between the riverbank and the lake ensure an open view and perfect security of the birds. These flamingos have got used to the local winter. They show up here every day to forage in the water. Flamingos are highly efficient predators as they can put their long necks deep into the water. Utilizing the webbed feet, they seize the prey efficiently. The curved bills can filter out the mud while keeping the nutrients. Drifting from the high salinity waters, the Denaliella salina and the brine shrimp join other shrimps in the low salinity wetland to provide an astaxanthin-rich diet, particularly fancied by flamingos. The astaxanthin is a natural pigment. It transfers the color through the food chain. Thus, the flamingo's plumage turns from white to brilliant red. The brighter the color, the stronger the bird. It attracts the prospective mates to produce high-quality offspring. The flamingos from afar have become celebrities in the region. They bring to the ancient Salt Lake a dash of lively colors. The Yancheng Salt Lake and the adjacent freshwaters provide a diversified salt lake ecosystem where many birds inhabit and survive the harsh winter.